Welcome! Today, we're diving into how data connects. This is an absolutely crucial skill for system design. So let's start with a question. You're building a game. Does all your data just live in isolation? Yeah, that's gonna be a hard no. Data is pretty much never stored all by itself. See, a single player is connected to matches, to inventory, to a clan. It's not just about the data points. What's really being stored are the connections between the data. And that right there is the key. Okay, so let's get into it. Our first building block is the entity. Just think of it as a type of thing. So in our game, a player, a match, a clan, yup, those are all different entities. And how those entities connect to each other? Well, that's what we call a relationship. Simple, right? All right, first type of connection we're going to look at is the one-to-one relationship. It's pretty much what it sounds like. One of thing A is connected to exactly one of thing B. A great example? A player has just one profile settings record. That's a perfect one-to-one. Next up is the one-to-many relationship, and you're going to see this one a lot. This just means that one A can be linked to a whole bunch of Bs. Think about it. One single player has played in many different matches. That's a classic one-to-many. Okay, now for the one that can sometimes be a bit tricky, the many-to-many relationship. Here, lots of A's can connect to lots of B's. And, importantly, it works the other way too. Like players and tournaments, right? Many players in one tournament, and one player joins many tournaments. And hey, if it helps, here's a super simple school analogy to really lock this concept in. Okay, so why do we even care about this? Well, it's all about building for the future. Because if you get these wrong, you're looking at a messy system that's a nightmare to scale later on. So here's a clean thought process to follow. Just ask these 3 simple questions when you're designing. And this really hits the nail on the head. It's not just about storage. It's about future scale and performance. And by the way, talking about this stuff in an interview, it makes your design feel really solid and thought out. So let's recap the key takeaways: entity, relationship, the 3 types, and how they impact everything. And to wrap up, try this. Look at your favorite app. Can you spot the hidden relationships?